I'm Jairav from Sosin classes, Target IS. I will be handling CSAT aptitude. If you look at the whole gamut of CSAT aptitude, it includes reasoning, arithmetic, and pure maths. If you carefully analyze CSAT 2021, 30% of the questions is of CAT standard based and 20% of the questions is of pure maths. If the questions are so unpredictable in nature, so difficult in nature, so complex in nature, then how we have to go about on this? Let us discuss on this at our office on 14th of December. We are conducting a workshop on 14th of December at 11 a.m. So please join with me in devising a foolproof strategy to crack CSAT. Thank you very much.